What's up, friends? Welcome to Arnie a la plancha, and it's breakfast time. Everyone needs this delicious breakfast recipe in their cookbook, and we'll be using a special tool to help cook these up quickly and perfectly. The Blackstone egg rings. An omelet with a side of hash browns and Texas toast. Now that's a proper feast to get the day going. We'll also be making this omelet a la mexicana, which means adding a sautéed blend of chile, onion, and tomato to pump up the flavor. So let's get this plancha fired up and start cooking. Vamos! All right, let's get started with our veggies first. I'm gonna cut a little bit of onion here for the omelet. We're gonna cube them up a little bit fine. Let's get our jalapeno. I'm gonna cut the tip off. I'm gonna cut this in half. And I like to cube these up semi-fine, not too fine, so I can get a little crunch out of them. Dice up our tomato. I do like to take out the core right here. We're not gonna use the whole tomato. All right, so we have tomato, chile jalapeno, and cebolla. That is called a la mexicana. We're gonna dice up some ham. So I'm gonna dice up this whole piece here. All right, friends, my Blackstone plancha is nice and hot. I'm running 2 burners, one on the end, one right here. Let's crack up a couple of eggs here. Blackstone sent me their essential blend. They say it's really good. Let's give it a shot. See how it is. So I have my egg whisk. We've got a little seasoning on there. My veggies are nicely diced. Let's get them on the griddle first. We're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Start with the veggies right here. All right, let's get these veggies on here. Start grilling some veggies. All right, let's get these going first. We're gonna get some hash browns on here too. I'm gonna put a little bit of oil. Let's get a little bit of butter on here too. Ooh, we are cooking now. I'm gonna turn the heat off over here for a little bit. Let's get our hash browns on here now. Ooh, yeah, baby. I love that sizzle. I'm gonna get my ring over here so it'll get preheated. Gonna put a little bit of oil here right underneath. And I like butter on my omelets, so a little bit of butter, just a little bit. Let's get these eggs in here. Let's get some of these veggies in here. They're nice and warm already, halfway cooked. Let's get the ham on here where it's nice and hot. Our eggs coming along good. We've got our ham nicely warmed up. Let's get our ham in here. It's nice and hot. Whew, there we go. Ooh, look at that. Wow, beautiful. Fold this over very carefully. There we go. Didn't fold 100% perfect, but we're okay with that. Go ahead and flip this omelet over one more time. Boom, how's that? Let's give our hash browns a little flippity flip. Stir these around a little bit. I'm gonna reflip this egg. There we go. I think that egg's done, honey bunny. Let's get a little seasoning on our hash browns, salt, pepper, garlic. That's the good stuff. Our omelet's done. And flippity flip it over, just like that. All right, here we go. We got our Texas toast. I'm gonna get these veggies out of here because they're already hot and done. I'm gonna lay these right on top of the egg here. Y'all didn't know what I was gonna do with that, did you? I'm hungry already. That omelet looks beautiful. Let's put our toast on our plate here. Look at that. Yumbling the tumbling. Here's the hash browns. All right, friends, so our egg a la mexicana is done with a little bit of jamon in there. That's ham, H-A-M. It looks beautiful. I know it's gonna taste delicious, so I'm ready to take my bite because I'm hungry. Let's give it a taste test. Ooh, that looks so pretty. I want some from the middle here. Look at that. That is super delicious. Give the hash browns a taste test. Ooh, that's good. The only thing that'll make this better is wrap it in a big flour tortilla, but we're not gonna do that today. But we are gonna make it better with a little bit of homemade salsa. So let's put a little salsa on here. Cheers, my friends. Oh man, I just tied it all together. Beautiful. Quick, easy, delicious. Blackstone Griddle did an awesome job. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, hit the like button, hit the share button, tell your family and friends about ArnieTex's and about the Blackstone Griddle. Make sure you like, comment, and share. Keep the smoke light, make it work, and boom!